presence heals. Presence is regulating. Presence is healing. So it's creating healing energy in your own presence by starting to respond to those parts of you like they're a friend and befriending those parts of you. How would I respond to me if I was responding to a friend? You'll journal, and every sentence will begin with a part of me. So a lot of times when we journal, it's all me. It's all I'm going through this. I feel this way. But when we do that, it's taking the whole of who we are and defining it by the experience. Because if I am depressed, it's my whole identity. Every part of me is depressed and I have no power. But if you say, a part of me is really struggling with depression, then it's not the whole of you, it's a part. There's still other parts. Even if you don't have access to them right now, they're still in your wholeness. You remind yourself that it's not the whole of you, and it's not defining your identity, who you are, what you're worth, what you're capable of. And then also, as you do that, you're practicing being the observer. So you're no longer the one who's in the depression, you're now observing that part of you. And because you're observing them instead of being them, you have a chance to respond in a new way, which is where we practice that friendship. We practice that internal relationship. The journal practice is holding space and letting yourself journal and observe all the stuff going on and giving voice to it, letting it come out, letting it go on paper instead of living in your mind and living in your body, letting it be expressed and released and heard and witnessed and honored and held space for. And instead of it's all of you going through it, it's a part of me is feeling this depression. A part of me feels completely exhausted. A part of me wants to give up. A part of me can't enjoy the sunshine on my skin right now. And that feels really frustrating. A part of me is thinking this, is feeling this, is remembering this, is wanting this, is needing this. And you let it all come out. And giving those parts of yourself permission to express themselves and to be seen and witnessed and embraced, accepted, held space for in that process.